The best way to ensure first-pass success during a rigid flex design is to use a correct by construction process, from stack-up definition through manufacturing handoff that includes unique stack-up styles, PCB bend areas, region rules such as vias, trace, and plane types, as well as design visualization in an integrated 2D/3D environment. Intelligent stack-up definition in layout understands flex-specific construction elements, including adhesive, cover, and stiffener layers. It also allows for creation of multiple stack-up definitions that are applied by area. Accelerate layout of a rigid flex board with a system that understands bend areas and other unique flex geometries, including placing irregular angles, and with the ability to employ rich routing capabilities for rigid flex designs.